everyone. Yay! Next video! I'm on the roll. As long as I post this, like, within a timely manner. So this video is a cooking event, and this was particularly special because it's celebrating the 30th anniversary of the sister city relationship between Nagayo Town and Wethersfield, Connecticut. And since I am a Connecticut native, it only makes sense that I would be a part of this event. I've essentially been part of some of the planning, like finding some recipes and testing them out, as well as preparing a presentation on Connecticut history and culture. Also, I had to give a speech. The central part of these recipes was that they should contain red onion. So I took the train to meet with Ayaka and Rob before we headed to the cultural center. And I was particularly nervous before heading in because of my speech and also like everyone not speaking English. I now kind of can be a bit shy in those kind of circumstances because I'm not confident in my Japanese. It's not like I won't speak if somebody speaks to me, but I get nervous that I won't know what to say. And they were all strangers, of course. So the event started with usual introduction and speeches. The mayor was there. The president of Nagasaki International University was there. So I had even more reason to be nervous. So after Kana's presentation on Wethersfield, I then came up to give my presentation on Connecticut, which I would say something and then she would translate in Japanese, and after that my speech finally came. So I actually recorded it. So go ahead and listen. Morning. Once I got used to hearing Japanese all the time, what shocked me most about Japanese culture in comparison to America is the strength of the Japanese spirit. People from Connecticut are very hard workers, but the people of Japan take this quality even further. Japanese have a special determination and value self-sacrifice. They go beyond what is expected of them, and even more valuable than that, they do it with a smile and with kindness, often placing the needs of others before themselves. I'm grateful for this kindness, and I'm constantly inspired by the warm and diligent people in Japan. For this reason, I am very happy to be here today. And look forward to working together. So we were split into 6 groups, and each group made 2 recipes out of the 5 so that we would have enough food for the 30 some odd people that were there. There were quite a few ladies there, and when I came to helping my group, I was just like, I'm gonna back off a little bit because these ladies know what they're doing. We made a green bean salad with potatoes. We made burgers with red onion compote, a smaller salad, red onion dip, and red onion shortcake, which was amazing. It was really cute, actually. A lot of the people there were actually trying to speak English with me, which makes me feel a lot more comfortable to try to speak to them in Japanese because they were also putting themselves out there. So much food.
American people eat that hamburger and eat all.
Oh yes, of course.
I couldn't eat all.
Really?
Yeah, I just had half of it.
Oh. Yes, many Americans can eat 1 or 2.
1 or 2?
1 or 2. So eat 1. And everyone was super sweet, as expected. Once we were done cooking, there were tables set up. They had me do the itadakimasu. Te o wasete kudasai. Itadakimasu. I don't have that filmed, so, but I did it. I spoke the Japanese. By this point, I was so starved and excited to eat. I think all I'd eaten that day was pizza bon. The food was delicious. The company was great. I really hope that these bonds continue to be strengthened. Through this whole experience, it's been very evident that Nagayo Town really values and cherishes this relationship that they have with Wethersfield. And Wethersfield does have their own priorities, but I hope that they see Nagayo Town as one of them.